Captain, what are your views on the Assagao incident? As it has come up in the newspaper that a senior police officer is allegedly involved in the cover-up.
See, we read the newspaper reports in Goa where the police officers have directly put an allegations against the Director General of Police. This is as per the newspaper reports. This is a very serious allegation. Now, if you recollect, the day the house was demolished, I immediately tweeted, and the Congress party in Goa, the president, Shri Amit Patkar, and the leader of opposition, Yuri Alemao, along with Advocate Carlos Ferreira and Mr. Elton DeCosta, were the first to reach there. They took up the matter, and that forced the government to act. The chief minister also had to go there. Now, the question arises, if a police officer right at the rank of the DGP is involved in this particular demolition, forcing the police force under him not to act, not to take action, that raises a serious doubt, a serious question on what is happening in Goa. Last many years, we have been seeing that there is increased crime record in Goa. Goa is slowly turning into the crime capital of India. Whoever commits crime in some other part of the country goes to Goa and hides. So, was this happening under the direct coverage of some of the senior most police officers in Goa? That question is to be answered. And lastly, I would ask the Chief Minister, you are the Home Minister, and the DGP reports directly to you. Were you aware or you were not aware? If you were aware, then you have to resign. If you were not aware, please act, suspend or dismiss this DGP, hold an inquiry, and the terms of inquiry should be very clear. In the last many years, 6-7 years since the DGP was there, different types of crimes have happened, drug related, murders, different type, robberies, and people were saying why the police are not acting. Probably the police were being forced not to act. All this has to be brought in out in the open. And if nothing happens, I will be forced to raise this matter in the parliament.
Thank you, Captain.
Thank you.